Alright friends, now we have come to the do while loop. This is another type of loop we can use in programming. It works a little differently than while loop. So what's the main difference between do while and while? So in a do while loop, the code inside do block runs first without checking any condition. So only after that does it check the condition in the while. That means, let's do it. For example, I run it. In our previous lesson, what we did, this is while loop example. So I printed from 0 to 5. So let's do it the while loop. Let's change it. I say do, so I come here, I open my while condition, and then I take it, I cut it, and I paste it. So I delete these parentheses. Yes, I put semicolon. Okay. So if I run it, you see same thing appears on the screen from 0 to 5. But the main difference is when the program reaches do block, it immediately executes the statement inside it without checking the condition first. When we use while loop, it checks the condition. If the condition is false in while loop, it will not enter in while block. But do while is not like that. It enters do block no matter the condition is true or false. It enters it. So for example, I change my starting value. I made it 14. You see, normally 40 is not less than or equals to 5. But if I run it, you see 40 appears on the screen. It enters to the do block. So I parent 40 and then I increase e-value. E-value becomes 41. And then after that I am checking the while condition. I am checking 41 is less than or equals to 5. No. So the while loop ends. So if I use while block instead of the while loop, it will not enter while block because the condition at the beginning is false. So it's not possible to enter inside the while block. But in the while loop, we don't care if the condition is true or false at first. After doing this statement, we check the condition is false or not. So we decide later. I hope you understand the logic. So that's a so important concept. That's why we use the while loop in places where we want the action to happen at least once, like showing a menu to the user. Even if the user enters the exit option right away, the menu still appears first. In such cases, we use the while loop. Okay, great.